I'm Amy, and today I'm going to show you how to dye pasta for our new video series, Isn't It Pinteresting? Dyeing pasta is an easy way to make pasta look a lot more fun and interesting for your craft projects. We here at the library use it for a lot of fine motor activities like beading or just putting it on straws, and those fine motor activities are a great way to get children ready to write later on. To make pasta, you just need very simple ingredients. You need pasta, of course. I like kind of the hole in it, maybe rigatoni, or today I have some special heart-shaped pasta. You'll need rubbing alcohol with an alcohol content of at least 70%, food color, plastic bags, and then tray to let it dry later on. So to get started making our pasta, the first thing you're going to do is get your Ziploc bag or zipper top bag. I like to use a freezer bag because that way I'm sure it won't leak. I really don't like alcohol leaking everywhere. And then into that bag, I will place 1/3 cup of the alcohol. This doesn't have to be an exact measurement. If you go a little over or a little under, that's okay. Add several drops of food coloring. You can use your judgment here. The more food coloring you add, the more intense the color on your pasta will be. After the food coloring and alcohol have mixed in your bag, you add pasta, just enough to not quite fill your bag. You want it to be able to move around in there. Seal up the bag and then shake it around a few times and turn it over just to make sure that the food color gets all over all of your pasta. Once you've done that, just lay it down on the counter and let it sit there for a while. You can turn it over every 20 or 30 minutes or so. And then after a while, when you like the color the pasta is, just dump it out onto your tray that you've lined with paper towels. Newspaper works great for this too. And then let it dry. It should dry pretty quickly because the rubbing alcohol will evaporate soon. And then once it's done, you have beautiful colored pasta to use any way you might like, except for eating. Don't eat it. Thanks for watching today. You can find more great ideas at our library's website, www.kentonlibrary.org. You can follow us on Pinterest, where we keep track of a lot of our great ideas. You can always visit us at any one of our 3 branches where we're using great ideas like this every day in our programs.